So here we are fitting a MAXVAC surface grinder shroud, the MV SGS-125. So here we are, I've already removed them. These are the two collars from the face of the grinder. The pack comes with 4 adapter rings. You've got the shroud, and then you've got a crank tool to be able to access the inside of the cup disc. All of these fit inside accordingly. You just need to find the right one for the grinder. It sits around the grinder, so that's too loose, too small, just right. In this case, it clips on, just push it right down as far as it goes. Get your surface grinder shroud, push in the nozzle in, put it down, tighten up the clamp, you're now ready to fit your surface grinding cut disc. When fitted, I'll just screw this on so we don't lose the other part. You have ability to get to the edge, or you can close it off for full extraction. Dust port, again, you can move it round, so if you want the dust hose coming up right next to your handle, or you can move it away if you want to get your hand in for more control. Polishing discs, grinding discs, they will all fit, work very well. That is the MAXVAC surface grinder shroud, the MV SGS-125.